my name is Marianna and this is Truman. He's a brown-necked Cape Parrot and today is his 7th birthday. Happy birthday, Truman! Michael got Truman when Truman was a baby, and even though Cape Parrots are known to be cuddly and easygoing birds, it took a lot of training to get him where he is now. He is friendly, social, and never bites anyone. I met Truman when he was 4 years old at New York City Parrot Adventures Group, and that was love at first sight. Truman is the best wedding gift of all, and it's my pleasure to share my house with him, to cook for him, and to take care of Truman. I'm very excited to celebrate his 7th birthday together, and I made him this special birdie cake. Hey Truman, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Thank you all for wishing Truman a happy birthday. Like the video and subscribe to the Parrot Wizard.